I wanted to briefly talk about something that you probably might not be aware that is affecting your financial situation and your ability to start increasing your income, start making more money. But before we get into that, I wanted to quickly introduce myself if we've never met before. Hi, my name is Amy Circa. Super excited that you were joining us here today. So, what you might not be aware that could be affecting your ability to increase your income is related to how much you are giving. Because if you are holding on tight to your money and you won't give to anything, you're holding on to that. You won't release it and let it go, knowing that more would come back to you. Now, personally, I am a Christian and I firmly believe in God blesses us when we release and we give more. And I've seen it over and over again. People start to give more. It doesn't even have to be a big amount. $25, if that's a lot for you, start with something smaller, $5, something like that. But start giving on a regular basis, and you'll be amazed to see how much things that shift for you internally and externally as well when you start to increase your income. So there is, I guess, Ray Higdon does what he calls Wealth Wednesday, and that's kind of what the purpose of this is to start to change your money mindset. So like doing a random act of kindness to for a stranger involving a financial exchange. Actually, I've got my Wealth Wednesday shirt on here today, but I love participating and giving in this manner because one of my favorite things to do is to stick some money in a diaper box. I had 2 in diapers at one time. Thankfully, we got Wyatt potty trained now. But it's expensive to have diapers. You know, I'm sure there's many others of us who have had kids in diapers and know how expensive that can be. So I love giving back in that manner because some unsuspecting parent or guardian, whoever it might be, finds a little bit of money when they open the diaper box. But just start to give more and you'll be surprised on how quickly things can turn around for you and you can start to increase your income.
Hey there, I hope that you found this video helpful and valuable. And especially if you did, I've got a special gift that I would love to get to you. And what this is I have a financial action guidebook to help you jumpstart your finances quickly. So have you ever hit a goal or set a financial goal and then didn't hit it and didn't quite know why? Like, where was the hole? What happened? What went wrong? And if you want to be able to effectively set goals that you can actually attain in your finances so you can move forward in your finances. Because I know if you were taking the time to watch this video, you are somebody who wants to make a change. And I know that you can do that. And this guidebook is going to help you walk through those steps on how you can set those goals that you can actually achieve. So I would love to get this into your hands. And depending on where you're watching this video, the link is either going to be located in the description below or above, somewhere in the description. The link is going to be listed, or you can go directly to amycirca.com/guidebook. Get your hands on that Financial Action Guidebook to jumpstart your finances quickly, and we'll see you later. Bye.